this right here a video for brides and grooms to be about where to place guests at your wedding. Now, this is something that I see happen all the time. So I wanna record this tip in hopes of helping couples everywhere plan better for their celebration. Now, we're here on site at the Rock Island Lake Club, and I just wanna use tonight's celebration as an example of where not to place your sound sensitive family and friends, your older relatives, the people that are gonna be really not happy with loud volume levels, and that is right next to the DJ booth. This right here, this table right here is actually right next to my speaker stack and my DJ booth. So don't put your older family and friends, the people that are sound sensitive, at these tables right next to the DJ booth. Or if you're at a location where you have the DJ booth and the equipment, and then there's tables in between the DJ booth and the equipment and the dance floor, don't put your sound sensitive relatives, family, or friends at those tables either. That's a bad idea. A better place for your sound sensitive guest at your celebration is maybe across the room and maybe away from the dance floor, because that's where most of the volume is going to be really, really loud, and that's where the party is going to be. So the further away from the speakers, the better for these people specifically, and I hope this helps brides, grooms, and couples planning the perfect celebration. My name is Jani, and I appreciate you guys checking this video out. Thanks for watching.